How do you strategically use AI to get more money for your business, and how do you use it to increase your profitability as well? Well, that's exactly what we're about to dive into right now during today's training. We're going to talk about how to use artificial intelligence to actually get more money, to get more loans and credit lines for your business, and the things you could do to better control your finances to increase your profitability as well. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Look, AI is all the rave right now, but you should know that you can also use AI to get more and better money for your business, loans and credit lines, and also strategically use it to be able to improve how you manage your finances and increase your profitability. So how do you do this? Well, let's dive into the lending side first. First of all, there are new lending programs that are very easy to qualify because of AI. AI does a large part of the underwriting for the lender. So as a result of that, there's no longer this manual underwriting review, which slows down the entire loan process. So for example, revenue lending is now available where you can get money for your business in as little as 24 hours just because you have 6 months worth of consistent revenue in your business. If you have 6 months worth of consistent revenue, the lender literally plugs in your bank account into their system and their AI manually underwrites the loan just based on how you manage your bank account. You manage your bank account responsibly, congratulations, you can get $50, $100, even $150,000 with this kind of lending. Your credit doesn't matter, nor do you need any kind of collateral. All you need is that 6 months worth of consistent cash flow to be able to get approved. Now, outside of using AI to qualify for financing like business loans, you can also use it to just make better decisions that help your overall profitability. So for example, AI can now take large amounts of data from spreadsheets, analyze it, and give you predictions of what's going to occur with future revenue, as well as insight and advice on actually how to improve your profitability. So if you're keeping a lot of data in one place, look into AI solutions that can help you use that data to your advantage to improve your overall profitability. Now, AI can also be used to improve your overall inventory management. Now, here's why this is important. The better you manage your inventory, the easier it is to qualify for financing. Look, there's a lot of financing available right now just based on inventory. You can get credit lines and loans to buy the inventory you need. You can use the inventory you have to qualify for working capital credit lines, or you can use that as collateral to actually get credit lines for 50% of the value of that inventory. You can even get 100% of the money you need to be able to actually buy the inventory to sell online if you have an e-commerce business. All of this is possible if you have a good inventory management system, and AI helps make this happen. AI gives you the ability now to better manage your inventory like never before, and in doing so, open up all types of loan and credit line options for your business. Now, AI can also be used for predictive market research. So what this means is AI can actually be used to determine potential marketing changes and trends, and then you can act on those before your competitors do. Look, this gives you a completely unfair advantage because you know what's going to happen in the future, and you can react before it even does to grab more market share for your company. And AI can even also be used to automate your bookkeeping. Look, none of us want to worry about the numbers. We need to, but we don't want to go through the actual painful process of managing those numbers. And bookkeepers can be expensive, especially if you're in the newer stages of your business. But AI can now do a lot of the bookkeeping for you, or it can be used as a tool to work alongside a bookkeeper to make it easier to do their job, meaning you pay them for less hours of work to get the same, if not a better result. So there you have it. There's a lot of different ways you can use AI to either get more money for your business or better control the finances and increase your profitability. Now, if you want to learn more about getting more money to grow your business, make sure you like and follow and keep your eye out on our next training where we talk about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.